The production process starts at the graphic design department, where the artwork is separated into its different color components. For each color, a file is created and a separate screen will be produced. Digital light engraving, or DLE machines, reproduce the image for each color onto the light-sensitive coating of the screen, using a strong and sharp beam of UV light. The use of these high-precision, digitally controlled machines allows FaberFlags to produce very detailed, full-color prints with bright colors and smooth transients. The screens are then washed to get rid of excess coating. At FaberFlags, we take quality control very serious and check the product at all stages of the process. Here, the screens are checked for any open spots in the coating and touched up where needed, to make sure there are no unwanted color spots on the flags. In order to fulfill our promise of printing your logo clear and true, we have to reproduce the exact right colors. The Pantone color codes are used as a standard, and FaberFlags uses only high-quality dyes and pigment powders to produce vibrant colors with the highest possible color fading resistance. When the color shade is really critical, color samples are produced first and submitted to the customer for approval. We are ready for printing now. The screens are installed and aligned on one of the Zimmer flatbed printing machines. These are the biggest machines of their kind in the whole of Southeast Asia. The first flags are produced. After printing, the fabric passes through a dryer before going into the steamer to be heated to a temperature of approximately 180 degrees Celsius. At this point, the sublimation inks bind with the polyester fabric to obtain the high fading and scratching resistance for which FaberFlags products are known. It is during this production step that the final colors of the product become visible. The printed flags are then washed at 90 degrees Celsius in an industrial washing machine to wash out all excess ink, which is not bound to the fabric. This is required to obtain the final bright look of the colors. During heat treatment and washing, the fabric shrinks, so we need to bring it back to the original size in the stenter machine. If any additional treatment is required, such as fire retardant treatment or water repellent coating, this can also be done at this stage. The flags and banners are then cut to size by cutting machines or manually at our finishing workshop. The last step is the sewing and mounting of accessories to the products. Also here, quality is important. All our flags will be finished with double stitching using high-strength sewing thread to ensure the longest possible lifetime.